Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Robin Hood, only way. Start by learning the song's melody on guitar or piano, focusing on chord progression and timing. Practice the intro slowly with a metronome, then add the vocal line when comfortable. Break the song into sections and loop each part until it feels natural. Aim for consistent tempo and clear dynamics, and record yourself to spot areas for steady improvement. Begin with the core chords used in Robin Hood, only way, and practice smooth changes between them. Use a basic strumming pattern at a slow tempo, then gradually increase speed while keeping timing steady. Add variations with palm muting and single note fills to match the song's phrasing. Sing while you play to lock rhythm and melody together. Focus on transitions and dynamics so the song breathes and the emotional peaks land where they should. Use focused practice sessions of 20 to 30 minutes to improve your performance steadily. Isolate difficult bars and loop them slowly until muscle memory takes over. Practice with a metronome and alternative tempos to build timing confidence. Experiment with vocal phrasing and slight tempo rubato to convey emotion. Warm up your voice and fingers before playing, and finish each session by recording a short run to track progress and celebrate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.